Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to cancel your Zoho One trial in just a few simple steps. Maybe you've decided Zoho One isn't the right fit for your business, or you just want to make sure the trial doesn't automatically convert into a paid plan. Whatever the reason, this quick guide will help you cancel your trial smoothly and without confusion. The first step is to log into your Zoho One account using the email and password you set up when you created it. Take a moment to double-check you're using the right credentials, because you'll need access to your main dashboard. Once logged in, you'll land on your Zoho One dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your account and subscriptions. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with different account options. From there, head over to the subscription section. This is where you'll see the details of your current trial, as well as any active subscriptions tied to your account. Inside the subscription section, you'll find the option to cancel your trial. Go ahead and click on it to begin the cancellation process. Keep in mind that once you cancel, you might lose access to saved data, custom settings, or apps you've connected unless you've backed them up. So make sure to save anything important before finalizing. After you click Cancel, a confirmation pop-up will appear. This step is designed as a final checkpoint. Zoho will also ask you to provide a reason for leaving. Be straightforward in your response. Whether it's pricing, features, or just not the right time, your feedback helps them improve the service. Once you've confirmed, click on Cancel My Zoho One account. After this, your trial will be officially canceled. You'll usually get a notification on screen and also an email confirmation to let you know the cancellation went through successfully. And that's all it takes. You've now canceled your Zoho One trial and avoided any unwanted charges, keeping your account fully under your control. If you ever need help, remember that Zoho's support team is available to guide you further. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials and helpful tips.